Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. We stayed at the gorgeous historic hotel in Helsinki. It used to be called Glo Hotel Art, but now it's Home Hotel Jugend. And let me tell you, the vibes in here, absolutely stunning. But is it just pretty, or is it actually a great place to stay? Let's find out. First things first, location. The hotel is in a peaceful yet central spot, just a short walk from amazing restaurants, boutique shops, and theaters. If you want to explore more of Helsinki, the tram stop is literally a minute away. Okay, this lobby is a whole mood. If you love unique, historic hotels, this one's giving castle meets boutique hotel vibes, and I'm here for it. Now onto the room. We stayed in a deluxe room, which was a great size for 2 people. The beds, super comfortable, easily the highlight of the room. Here's something to keep in mind. This shower, yeah, it has frosted glass, meaning you can kinda see inside. Maybe not ideal if you're traveling with a friend or a work colleague. Breakfast here was really good. A nice variety, perfect if you like to start your day with options. And for those who want to stay active, there's a gym available, which is always a plus. So, would I stay here again? For the unique atmosphere and great value, yes. Just keep in mind the shower situation and some parts of the room show a little wear and tear. But overall, if you want a cozy, stylish stay in Helsinki, this is a great option. Would you stay here? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel reviews. Until next time, happy travels!